Jonix Mate decontamination system with NTP non-thermal plasma technology, also known as cold plasma. Ionization is a natural phenomenon produced by solar radiations, friction of the wind on the Earth's surface, thunderstorms, rain, and by atmospheric winds. NTP, cold plasma, is a physical phenomenon which generates at room temperature. Plasma is an ionized gas made of several electrically charged particles, ions, atoms, organic and chemical molecules that produce oxidants by crashing into each other. It is considered the safest and most effective process for bacterial decontamination and pollutants breakdown. Jonix Mate is ideal for environments that require a full filtration of suspended particulate and bacterial decontamination in the air and on surfaces. Air is fully filtered, sanitized, and discharged again into the environment. Control panel. By touching the representative icons, you can set and display functions. Ionizing modules. You can read running hours and maintenance status. Filters. You can see their status and maintenance expiration. Fan. You can set and change the airflow according to your needs and to the environment volume. Settings control. Icons represent all editable functions. Date and time. Set date and time since startup. Language. Select language from the list. Protection. You can set 2 protection levels, confirmation only or password for each modification. Time slots. You can set up to 4 time slots and different slots for each day. Alarm history. Displays all detailed alarm messages sent by the unit. Maintenance. You can record the maintenance activities of all ionizing groups and of each filter. Display. You can modulate the display brightness. Info. Machine identification codes. Multimedia. Technical information is available.